Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy index funds on Fidelity Easy Guide. Open your Fidelity account on web or app, navigate to trade, select buy, search the index fund ticker, or use the fund screener, choose amount in dollars or shares, set order type, and submit after reviewing fees and allocation. Start small if you are new, consider target allocations, and revisit investments quarterly to rebalance. Focus on expense ratio, tracking accuracy, and the index a fund follows when you compare options. Use Fidelity's fund screener to filter by low fees and market cap, then check minimum investment and tax efficiency. Pick broadly diversified funds for core holdings and use sector funds for tilts. Keep allocations consistent with your risk plan and avoid frequent trading to minimize taxes and costs. Revisit choices yearly to ensure alignment. Quick recommendation: if this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful guides. On another note, Bento Box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use to prep lunches between trades and budget checks. They are a small productivity win. I appreciate every like and subscribe. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. On Fidelity, enter the fund ticker, choose buy, and select dollars or shares for the order. Decide between market or limit order, set a limit if desired, and confirm estimated cost and commission. Schedule one-time or recurring purchases for dollar cost averaging, then review and submit the order. Track confirmations in your Activity tab and save Form 1099 details for taxes. If you need help, use Fidelity chat or phone support for step-by-step guidance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.